Hi students, very good afternoon. In our yesterday class, we are discussing about reciprocal lattice. Complete gave the information about the reciprocal lattice. Why you are introducing reciprocal lattice? This reciprocal lattice are introducing to verify the structures of the given crystal. What is the structure of the given structure? That structure is clearly explained on the basis of reciprocal lattice. So, why these are introducing? Especially Miller indices are failed to explain the crystal structures with respect to lattice planes. Particularly Miller indices HKL are mainly explain the family of the crystal, family of the lattice planes, not the give the clear information about the single crystal. Only single crystal does not give the information about the crystal structure. So on that way we are introducing the reciprocal lattices. Based on this reciprocal lattice, you can give the clear information of the crystal structures. On our yesterday class, these primitive vectors of reciprocal lattice can be represented by B1 bar, B2 bar and B3 bar. These are the primitive vectors of the given reciprocal lattices. The general primitive vector of the reciprocal lattice is written by B bar is equal to 2 pi into AI cap cross AJ cap divided by volume of the set. This is the standard formula for the primitive vector. According to the primitive vector of first, nothing but along x direction, y direction, z direction. How they are written? Here say. So B1 can be written as 2 pi into A2 bar cross A3 bar divided by volume A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. This is the B1 primitive vector. Similarly, B2 can be written as 2 pi into A3 bar cross A1 bar divided by volume at every structure, cubic structure, always be written as A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. B3 bar is written by 2 pi into A1 cross A3 bar divided by 1 3 here 2 divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. These are the primitive vectors of the given reciprocal lattice. So today we are discussing about different structures of the reciprocal lattice. Nothing but reciprocal lattice to simple cubic structure, reciprocal lattice to face centered cubic structure, reciprocal lattice to body centered cubic structure. According to our syllabus point of view, only two structures are there, that is reciprocal lattice to FCC and reciprocal lattice to BCC. So FCC and BCC mainly based on simple cubic structure. So first of all we are learning about the reciprocal lattice to simple cubic structure. After completion of that, we can go to the face centered cubic structure and body centered cubic structure. Already I told in our yesterday class, please recall about the crystal structures, particularly what are those number of lattice points per unit cell. Number of lattice points per unit cell. How many lattice points per unit cell in simple cubic structure? There are only one lattice point. At every corner, 1/8 portion of the lattice point is occupied. So in cubic structure there are totally 8 corners are there. So 8 into 1/8 is nothing but 1. So totally we have only one lattice point is existed in simple cubic structure. What the next structure? Body centered cubic structure. Body centered cubic structure is nothing but first of all a simple cubic structure, and center of the body is occupied by complete one lattice point. So cubic structure consisting of one lattice point, body center consisting of one lattice point. 1 plus 1 is nothing but totally 2. So 2 lattice points are existed per unit cell. In a similar fashion, face centered cubic structure. How many lattice points are there? So first of all, face centered cubic structure is nothing but simple cubic. So in simple cubic structure, how many lattice points are there? Only 1 point. So how many faces are there? In cubic structure there are 6 faces are there. So every face is acting another face to the another neighboring cubic structure. So every face acting 2 faces. Every face is acting to common face of 2 neighboring unit cells. So at every face there existing half of the lattice point is occupied per unit cell. So totally 6 faces are there. 6 into half, nothing but 3. So according to faces, 3 lattice points are existed. According to corners, 1 lattice point is existed. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So based on that, we are explaining reciprocal lattice of different structures. So we are going to the first structure is reciprocal lattice to the simple cubic structure. Simple cubic structure. This is the basic reciprocal lattice of the structure. So in simple cubic structure, each and every one cubic structure is consisting of the conditions A is equal to B is equal to C and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma must be 90 degrees. So we are considered. So first of all, let us consider. What do you consider? Let us consider small a be the lattice constant. Lattice constant of the cell, of the unit cell. So small a is considered as the lattice constant. According to your 3-dimensional point of view, in 3-dimensional point of view, I am writing ax bar, ay bar and az bar. So simple cubic structure having lattice constant can be taken as A. So A into I cap, A into J cap, A into K cap. These are the unit vectors along the x, y, z direction in the simple cubic structure. So here the formula, there existing the volume. What is the volume of the unit cell? According to the known term, volume of the simple cubic unit cell is A cube. A into A, that is can be taken as A cube. So according to these, based on, you can write the primitive vectors or reciprocal lattice of the simple cubic structure. Nothing but you can measure B1, B2, B3. B1, B2, B3. According to the reciprocal lattice of the simple cubic structure, B1 can be written as, what is the B1 formula? B1 bar is equal to 2 pi into A2 bar cross A3 bar, A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. So in a similar way, I am substituting the values. 2 pi into A2 is nothing but A into J cap cross A into K cap divided by A1 is nothing but A into I cap dot A into J cap cross A into K cap. So according to our vector notation point of view, cross product, everyone is known cross product. So we can take as a anti-clockwise direction. We are taking the 3 directions in anti-clockwise direction, I, J, K. In a similar way, anti-clockwise direction you can take the orderly. I bar cross J bar is nothing but K bar. J bar cross K bar is nothing but I bar. K bar cross I bar is nothing but J bar. Each and everyone knows. So the cross product can be taken in the cyclic process, particularly in anti-clockwise direction. Order must and should be known So you can take the order in the anti-clockwise direction. In orderly you can cross the product. So in the order values you can cross it, you can get the remaining or third vector. Suppose k bar cross I bar, this is reverse order. So you can get the negative sign minus I cap. In a similar way you can go through this one. According to this, I am writing this equation 2 pi into a square into j bar cross k bar divided by in each under a cube I cap dot j cap cross k cap j bar. So first you can take the cross product value. You can take the cross product value. What is the cross product of j cross k bar? J bar cross k bar is nothing but I bar. So you get 2 pi into a square into j bar cross k bar is nothing but I cap divided by a cube into I cap dot j bar cross k bar. J bar cross k bar is nothing but I cap. So which is equal to 2 pi into a square into I cap divided by a cube into I bar dot I bar value is always equal to 1. Here a square is cancelled, denominator a square. Finally you get the value is 2 pi by a into I cap. This is called as B1 bar vector. The reciprocal lattice of simple cubic structure in particularly x direction point of view, we get the result is 2 pi by a into I cap. 2 pi by a into I cap. In a similar way, you can deduce B1 bar is completed. In a similar way, you can calculate the B2 bar and B3 bar. What is B2 bar? B2 bar formula is nothing but 2 pi into B2. So second term is missing. So I am taking A1 bar cross A3 bar cross A1 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. So according to result 2 pi into A3 is nothing but what is A3? A3 can be written as A into K cap cross A into I cap divided by A into I cap dot A into J cap cross A into K cap. So 2 pi into A square into K bar cross I bar is nothing but J bar divided by A into A cube into I cap cross J bar cross K bar is nothing but I cap. So 2 pi into A square J cap divided by A cube into I bar cross I bar 1. So A square get cancelled. You get B2 bar is equal to 2 pi by A into J cap. This is B2 bar. So finally you can calculate the third direction, nothing but along x direction. Along z direction you can calculate it. Along z direction is nothing but B3 bar is equal to 2 pi into A1 bar cross A2 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. So 2 pi into A1 bar is nothing but A into I cap dot A into J cap divided by A into I cap dot A into J cap cross A into K cap. So 2 pi into A square into I bar cross I bar cross J bar is nothing but K cap divided by A cube into I cap dot j bar cross k bar is nothing but I cap. I cap dot I cap 1. So you get 2 pi by a into k cap. This is B3. So these are the reciprocal lattice of simple cubic structure. So finally you get the primitive vectors of a simple cubic structure. Finally you get B1 is equal to 2 pi by a into I cap, B2 bar is equal to 2 pi by a into j cap, B3 bar is equal to 2 pi by a into k cap. According to our crystal structure, you get the result. You assume the result is A1 bar is equal to A into I cap, A2 bar is equal to A into j cap, A3 bar is equal to A into k cap. This is the original crystal structure, three-dimensional vectors. According to our reciprocal lattice, you get the vectors are B1 bar is equal to 2 pi by A into I cap, B2 bar is equal to 2 pi by A into j cap, B3 bar is equal to 2 pi by A into k cap. So according to reciprocal lattice calculation, first of all you can assume the simple cubic structure having the lattice constant is A. Having the lattice constant is A. Based on this, you can deduce the reciprocal lattice of simple cubic structure. You get the lattice constant of reciprocal lattice is 2 pi by A. Reciprocal lattice is 2 pi by A. The structure of simple cubic structure in reciprocal lattice also simple cubic structure, but having the reciprocal lattice constant is 2 pi by A. So according to our deduction, finally we conclude that. What we conclude that? We conclude that reciprocal lattice of a simple cubic structure is a simple cubic structure with a lattice constant of 2 pi by A. So according to simple cubic structure, lattice constant we are taking A. So on our derivation, finally you get the structure of reciprocal lattice of simple cubic structure is again a simple cubic structure. But the lattice constant A is converted into 2 pi by A. So the lattice constant of reciprocal lattice of simple cubic structure is 2 pi by A. The structure of simple cubic structure is always be simple cubic structure according to reciprocal lattice point of view. The structure is does not change. What the change? The structure is does not change. The changing value is lattice constant. What is the lattice constant? According to crystal structure, the lattice constant can be taken as A. According to your reciprocal lattice point of view, the lattice constant is converted into 2 pi by A. The lattice constant of reciprocal lattice is converted into 2 pi by A. So in reciprocal lattice point of view, the volume of the reciprocal simple cubic structure is, for simple cubic structure, only one lattice point per unit cell. 1 into 2 pi by A whole cube. So the volume of the unit cell, particularly unit cell in reciprocal simple cubic structure or reciprocal lattice of a simple cubic structure is 1 into 2 pi by a whole cube. That is the volume of the reciprocal lattice of the simple cubic structure. That is simple cubic structure. So this is called as reciprocal lattice of a simple cubic structure. So this fashion you can deduce the body centered cubic structure and also face centered cubic structure. These two structures is existing in our syllabus. So this is the basic calculation or basic derivation point of view. You get the reciprocal lattice of the different structures. How they getting the result? First we can assume one structure, either simple cubic, face centered or body centered. After that, according to crystal structure, you assumed the lattice constant of given structure can be taken as A. The lattice constant of given structure can be taken as A. After that A can be represented according to structure along x direction, along y direction, along z direction. Based on these three, we can deduce the basis vectors or primitive vectors of the reciprocal lattice. Those are B1 bar, B2 bar, B3 bar. So finally you get the B1, B2, B3. Based on these three vectors, you can clearly explain the lattice constant of the given reciprocal lattice. After that, you can deduce volume of the reciprocal lattice according to structure. According to structure, why I am telling according to structure? For the structure, there existing number of lattice point per unit cell. For simple cubic structure, only one lattice point. For face centered cubic structure, there are 4 lattice points. For body centered cubic structure, there are 3 lattice points. Based on these structures, you can reduce the volume of the cubic structure. So according to cubic structure, there is only 1. According to face centered, there are existing 4. 4 into this lattice constant whole cube. So according to body centered cubic structure, there are existing only 2. 2 into lattice constant whole cube. That is the standard procedure to calculate the reciprocal lattice of the different structures. So up to this we are completed the reciprocal lattice to simple cubic structure. This is the standard calculation how the basis vectors can be derived. So in a similar fashion we are going to the next structure calculation of reciprocal lattice. What is we are taking next structure? The reciprocal lattice to the body centered cubic structure. Body centered cubic structure. That is the reciprocal lattice. So first of all, what you taking? Let us consider small a be the lattice constant of the BCC unit cell. So I am taking the small a be the lattice constant of the BCC unit cell, otherwise side of the cell also. So according to this is represented in 3-dimensional based on structure, BCC structure point of view. A1 can be taken as A into I cap, A2 bar లేదా A2 bar can be taken as A into J cap, and A3 bar can be taken as A by 2 into K cap. A3 bar can be taken as, in body centered point of view, I am taking A by 2 into I cap, J cap plus K cap. I cap, J cap plus K cap. This is with respect to 3-dimensional point of view I am taking. So based on these 3 vectors, with respect to BCC structure, we can convert into reciprocal lattice. So what the reciprocal lattice per point of view can calculate we can calculate B1 bar, B2 bar and B3 bar. So first of all I am calculating B1 bar. What is the formula for B1 bar? 2 pi into A2 bar cross A3 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. So substituting in this equation 2 pi into A2 is nothing but A into j cap. A into j cap cross. A3 is nothing but A by 2 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by A1 A into I cap cross A by 2 into here dot product A by 2 into wait A2 is nothing but A into j cap cross A by 2 into I bar cross j bar plus k bar 2 pi into A square by 2. So your cross product with respect to j bar cross I bar, j bar cross j bar, j bar cross k bar. So we can take that one. So j bar cross I bar, j I. What's the next? Minus k cap. J bar cross j bar 0 plus 0. J bar cross k bar plus I cap divided by A into A cube by 2 into dot product. So first I bar dot j bar cross, what you get? You get the result is minus k cap plus 0 plus I cap. So after that you can go through the calculation. Any value is cancelled, nothing but in numerator a square by 2 is there, in the denominator is also a square by 2 is there. So a square by 2 a square by 2 can cancel. So you get 2 pi by a. We get 2 pi by a. Here numerator the existing I bar I cap minus k cap divided by I bar dot k bar 0, I bar dot 0 0, I bar dot I bar 1. So here so your primitive vector b1 bar along x direction can be written as 2 pi by a into I cap minus k cap. This is the reciprocal lattice with respect to x direction. In similar way, you can calculate the B2 and B3 also. What is the B2? B2 is equal to 2 pi into what's that? A3 bar cross A1 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. So I am substituting the values in this equation. 2 pi into A3 is nothing but A into k cap cross A into j. Right. A3 value. What is A3? A3 is nothing but A by 2 into I bar plus j bar plus k bar cross A into I cap divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. Finally you get the result is a cube by 2 into 1. So you can cross product, you get the result is 2 pi into a square by 2 get cancelled, 2 pi by a into I bar cross I bar 0, j bar cross I bar minus k cap, k bar cross I bar plus j cap. So you get the reciprocal lattice along the y direction. You get the y direction reciprocal lattice is B2 bar is equal to 2 pi by a into j bar minus k bar of j cap minus k cap. This is second vector. In a similar way, B3 bar can be calculated. B3 bar is equal to 2 pi by a into 2 pi by a. Wait. 2 pi into a 3 bar. Wait. A1 bar cross A2 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. Substituting in this equation, we get 2 pi into A1 is nothing but A into I cap plus A2 into j cap divided by A1 A into I cap plus in dot product A into j cap cross A by 2 into I bar plus j bar plus k bar. This result you know that 2 pi into A into A square. I bar cross j bar is nothing but k cap divided by A into A nothing but A cube by 2. A cube by 2. This ultimate result you get the result is what? A square can cancel. You get 4 pi. This 2 goes to numerator. 4 pi by A into k cap. This is B3 bar. That is B3 bar. So B3 bar value you get the result is similar way you can know that B3 bar can be written as 2 pi by A into 2 k cap. 2 k cap. This is B1 reciprocal lattice, B2 reciprocal lattice, B3 reciprocal lattice. So according to our notation, these values are reciprocal lattice. This based on this reciprocal lattice of body centered cubic structure. This based on reciprocal lattice of BCC structure is equal to face centered cubic structure is equal to face centered cubic structure. So with a lattice constant of face centered cubic structure with a lattice constant of 2 pi by a. In every term you know 2 pi by a, here also 2 pi by a, here also 2 pi by a. But directions here, what is the direction? B1 I bar minus k bar, B2 j bar minus k bar, B3 2 k cap. Directions are changed. So based on the direction, the reciprocal lattice structure of BC structure is similar to face centered cubic structure of the crystal structure. So body centered cubic structure of reciprocal lattice structure is similar to face centered cubic structure of normal crystal structure. Normal crystal structure face centered cubic structure is matched with reciprocal lattice of BCC structure with a lattice constant of 2 pi by a. What is the volume of the unit cell? Volume of the unit cell is written as how many lattice points are there? Number of lattice points per unit cell. Number of lattice points per unit cell in BCC is only 2. How they get? 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. So how many lattices are there? 2. So volume of the unit cell in reciprocal lattice of BCC is 2 into lattice constant is 2 pi by a whole cube. 2 into 2 pi by a whole cube. 2 pi by a whole cube. and directly you get the result is a cube by 2. That is also equal to volume of the cell. Volume of the cell is equal to a cube by 2. This is the reciprocal lattice of BCC structure. Reciprocal lattice of BCC structure. So BCC structure point of view, you take the vectors A1, A2, A3. What the vectors are taking according to crystal structure, that A1 value or A1 bar value is equal to A into I cap, A2 bar value is equal to A into J cap, A3 bar value with respect to body center A into or A by 2 into I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Based on these three, you can deduce the B1, B2, B3. So reciprocal or primitive vectors of reciprocal lattice is B1, B2, B3. Based on B1, B2, B3, the structure is particularly equal to face-centered cubic structure. Face-centered cubic structure of normal crystal with respect to reciprocal lattice of BCC. Nothing but reciprocal lattice of BCC structure is equal to lattice structure of FCC with a lattice constant in is 2 pi by a. Here lattice constant is a. So according to reciprocal lattice of BCC structure is always be equal to FCC structure of the crystal lattice. So that is reciprocal lattice of BCC structure, which is given in the past paper also. In previous papers, you know, or you can see it. Write the reciprocal lattice of BCC, otherwise FCC. This part is completely goes to BCC. One more topic is there. What is that? Reciprocal lattice to FCC structure. The next part is reciprocal lattice to FCC structure. Next topic. The next topic is reciprocal lattice to the FCC structure or crystal structure. Reciprocal lattice to FCC lattice or FCC structure. FCC structure, sometimes you can take as FCC lattice. FCC lattice. For this, we can take, let us consider regular person. Let us consider small a be the lattice constant. Lattice constant of the FCC lattice unit cell. Small a be the FCC lattice unit cell. In three-dimensional point of view, you can write A1 or A1 bar, A2 bar and A3 bar. In three-dimensional point of view, A1 bar can be taken as A by 2 into J cap cross K cap. A by 2 into J cap cross K cap, and A by 2 into I cap cross K cap. I cap cross K cap, and A by 2 into J cap 3. 3 is nothing but I cap cross K cap. I cap cross, wait, 3, nothing but Z direction is missing. So A by 2 into j cap cross I cap, j bar cross cap I cap. These are the vectors with respect to FCC lattice. These are the vectors with respect to FCC lattice. Based on this, you can deduce the primitive vectors or basis vectors of reciprocal lattice. So we can calculate. We can calculate. What are you can calculate? B1 bar, B2 bar and B3 bar. You must calculate it. So according to B1 bar, what is the formula for B1 bar? B1 bar is equal to 2 pi into, what is next? 2 pi into A2 bar cross A3 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. Substituting in this equation, 2 pi into A2 bar is nothing but A by 2 into I cap plus K cap cross A3 is nothing but A by 2 into J cap cross I cap divided by A1 nothing but A by 2 into J cap plus K cap dot A by 2 into I cap plus K cap cross A by 2 into J bar cross I cap. So 2 pi into, in numerator, A by 2 into A by 2, A square by 4. We can cross multiply it. I bar cross J bar, K bar. I bar cross I bar, 0. Next, K bar cross J bar, minus I bar. K bar cross I bar plus J bar divided by A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A cube by 8. J bar plus K bar. Dot product. This dot product you get K bar minus I bar plus J bar. So A square, A times cancel, 4 in terms of 2. This 2 goes to numerator, you get the value is 4 pi by 4 pi by A into, what's the next? Minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap divided by dot product, divided by dot product. J bar dot K bar 0, J bar dot I bar 0, J bar dot J bar 1. So 1. K bar dot K bar 1 plus 1. Remaining zeros. So 4 pi by A into minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap by 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 in 4, 2 times. So finally you get B1 bar is equal to 2 pi by A into minus I cap plus J cap plus K cap. This is the reciprocal lattice of face centered cubic structure. Face centered cubic structure in FCC, structure of lattice. So according to x direction you can calculate. In a similar way you can calculate B2 and B3 also. In a similar way you can calculate B2 and B3. You know that the B2 value and B3 value. What is the formula for B2? B2 bar is equal to 2 pi into, here B2 value 2 is missing, nothing but A3 bar cross A1 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. So 2 pi into, what is A3? What is the value of A3? A3 is nothing but A by 2 into, I am taking IJ cap cross I cap. J bar plus I cap cross A1 is nothing but A by 2 into J cap plus K cap. J cap nothing but A1 J cap plus divided by A1 is nothing but A by 2 J cap plus K cap dot A by 2 into A2. A2 is nothing but second one is missing. A2 I am taking J cap plus I cap plus K cap cross A by 2 into J bar plus I cap. So 2 pi into A by 2 into A by 2 A square by 4 cross product J bar cross J bar 0 J bar cross K bar plus I cap I bar cross J bar plus K cap I bar cross K cap minus J cap divided by what you get A cube by 8 A cube by 8 into J bar plus K bar into I bar plus K cap minus K cap not the value, that not the correct value. What you get I bar cross J bar K cap I bar cross I bar 0 K bar cross J bar minus I cap K bar dot I bar plus J. So A square cancel 4 in terms of a 2 goes to numerator, you get 4 pi by A into in numerator I cap minus J cap plus K cap divided by what's the value J bar dot K bar 0 J bar dot 0 0 J bar dot I bar 0 J bar dot J bar 1 K bar dot K bar 1 1 plus 1 2 this 2 into you get 2 so finally you get 2 pi by A into I bar minus J bar plus K bar. So you get the second vector along y-axis is 2 pi by A into I cap minus J cap plus K cap. This is along y-direction reciprocal lattice vector in FCC structure. Reciprocal lattice in FCC structure. In a similar way, you can calculate the third vector. According to this complete derivation point of view, you can simply derive the result is B3 bar is equal to 2 pi by A into in y direction, in x direction minus I, in y direction minus J, in z direction minus K. So just we can check it. B3 bar is equal to 2 pi into B3 is nothing but A1 bar cross A2 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. Substituting in this equation 2 pi into A1 is nothing but A by 2 into A1 can be taken as J bar plus K bar cross A2 is nothing but A by 2 into A2 I bar plus K cap divided by A1 A by 2 into J cap plus K cap dot A2 A by 2 into I cap plus K cap cross A3 A by 2 into J cap cross I cap. So we get 2 pi into A by 2 into A by 2 A square by 4 into cross product J bar cross I bar minus K cap J bar cross K bar J bar cross K bar is nothing but plus I cap. K bar cross I bar plus J cap. K bar cross K bar 0 divided by A by 2 plus A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 A cube by 8. So J bar plus K bar cross product I bar cross J bar K cap. I bar cross I bar 0. K bar cross J bar minus I cap. K bar cross I bar plus J cap. So A square A times 4 2 times 2 goes to numerator, you get 4 pi by A into I bar plus J bar minus K bar divided dot product J bar dot K bar 0, J bar dot I bar 0, J bar dot J 1, K bar dot K 1 remaining 0. This 2 cancelling 2 times, we get 2 pi by A into I cap plus J cap minus K cap. So finally in FCC structure, reciprocal lattice along z direction is 2 pi by A into I cap plus J cap minus K cap minus K cap. K cap. So you get the B1, B2, B3. So according to this structure, you get B1, B2, B3. What you conclude that in in BC structure, nothing but in previous derivation point of view, you conclude that. What you conclude that the reciprocal lattice of BCC structure is similar to FCC structure lattice. Normal FCC structure lattice, BCC reciprocal lattice, both are equivalent. In a similar fashion, what you get? The conclusion. What is the conclusion? The structure of what's FCC reciprocal lattice. FCC reciprocal lattice is similar to BCC crystal lattice. BCC crystal lattice. Normal BCC crystal lattice and FCC reciprocal lattice both are equal. But in crystal lattice constant can be taken as A. In FCC reciprocal lattice, the lattice constant is 2 pi by A. So in FCC structure, how many number of lattice points are there? Number of lattice points per unit set is 4. How they get? 4 is nothing but 8 into 1 by 8. 6 faces, every face center lattice point is only half. So this is 1, this is 3. 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. So totally 4 lattice points per unit cell. So volume of the unit cell is B cell can be taken as 4 into 2 pi by A whole cube. Volume of the unit cell is equal to 4 into 2 pi by A whole cube. This is the calculation part of reciprocal lattice of FCC structure. According to our known statements, the FCC reciprocal lattice is always be equal to normal BCC crystal lattice. Okay, this is the calculation of reciprocal lattice of different structures. Reciprocal lattice of different structures. So that is the part how to calculate the reciprocal lattice of simple cubic, body centered and face centered cubic structure. This is the way to calculate it. So finally we concluded what you concluded. Present in this class we can calculate the reciprocal lattices. We can conclude the reciprocal lattices. So According to reciprocal lattice, you can deduce reciprocal lattice. In reciprocal lattice, you can calculate the basis or primitive vectors. What are the basis and primitive vectors? B1 bar, B2 bar and B3 bar along x, y and z action. What is B1? B1 can be written as 2 pi into here B1, nothing but A2 bar cross A3 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. In a similar way, B2 is nothing but 2 pi into B2. So A3 bar cross A1 bar. Here volume always be same. So A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar. B3 is nothing but 2 pi into A1 bar cross A3 A2 bar divided by A1 bar dot A2 bar cross A3 bar.